So good afternoon, class. As you can see, this is what we are going to do today. It's a continuation of subject and predicate. And I assume that you've done this several times, but this is just for you to review, and so you don't forget, because part of constructing sentences has to do with subject and predicate, which are very important. So let's start with two parts of a sentence, being the subject and predicate. So every complete sentence has two parts, two important parts, and that is the subject and that is the predicate, which is over there. But we will begin first with the subject of a sentence. So the subject of a sentence tells us whom or what the sentence is about. And I have one example here. The first one, Nicolasa is a writer. Now we want to know who or what the sentence is talking about. And we have our subject right here. Nicolasa, we're talking about Nicolasa being a writer. So she is the subject of the sentence. We have another sentence here, another example. The girl was a good student. Now who are we talking about? What is the sentence about? It's talking about a girl, the girl, who is a good student. Now when you want to find the subject in your sentence, this is something that you can ask yourself, and it makes it a lot easier to find the subject. So to find the subject, you ask who or what is doing something in the sentence, or whom or what is being talked about in the sentence. For example, Nicolasa broke the cup. Now you can ask, who broke the cup? Nicolasa. She broke the cup. Now what if I put the cat broke the cup? What broke the cup? The cat. So you have your subject. Now let's move on to the other example. Hiding in the tall grass was a rabbit. Now you will ask whom or what was hiding in the tall grass. See that? To find the subject, ask who or what is doing something, or whom or what is being talked about. Now, who are we talking about here in the subject? Who or what? Who or what is hiding in the tall grass? The rabbit. So we have our subject. Now, if you notice something strange here, is that the subject is not, in this sentence, the subject is not at the beginning of the sentence. It is at the end. But that's totally normal, because the subject may come at the beginning, the middle, or end of a sentence, but for now we will focus on the subject coming at the beginning of the sentence. But that's just for you to know, wherever the subject of the sentence is, beginning, middle, end, that's the question that you have to ask. So read it carefully, ask who or what is doing something, or whom or what is being talked about in the sentence, and you found your subject. Now for the exercise I gave yesterday on identifying the subject, I noticed that you have no problem, both of you have no problem identifying the subject. Now we have the predicate